Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Helen. Today I have a quick tutorial on how to start a crochet circle. I find the magic circle a bit tricky to make, so instead I use the chain 2 method. If you struggle with the magic circle as well, this may be a great alternative. I hope you find this tutorial helpful, and let's get started. Step 1. Making the foundation chains. Let's say a pattern calls for starting with a magic circle and working 6 single crochet stitches into it. Here's how I do it using the chain 2 method instead. I begin by making 2 chains. First chain, second chain. Step 2. Working single crochet stitches. Now I insert my hook into the first chain and make a single crochet stitch. Perfect. Next, I go back into that same opening, the same hole, and make my second single crochet stitch. Same hole again for the third single crochet stitch. I continue working single crochet stitches into that same space until I have all 6 stitches completed. Step 3. Finishing the round. If the stitches look a little spaced apart, I gently adjust them so the 2 ends meet neatly. If the pattern calls for a slip stitch to close the round, simply slip stitch into the first single crochet. This is how I create circles for amigurumi hats or any project that starts with a circle. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If there are any crochet stitches you would like me to cover, let me know down in the comments below. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!